Yes, many manufacturers will absolutely help market your business, especially if you sell or install their products through programs like co-op advertising funds, marketing materials, and lead sharing. Here is something most business owners never think to ask about called co-op advertising, or market development funds. Basically, when you buy products from a manufacturer and become a certified dealer or installer, that manufacturer often sets aside a chunk of money specifically to help you advertise their brand in your local area. This could mean they pay for part of your radio ads, your social media posts, your website banners, or even printed flyers, as long as their logo and product name are included. Some manufacturers will also list your business on their official website as a trusted local dealer, which brings you free traffic from people searching for that brand near them. The tricky part is that most contractors and shop owners have no idea this money exists because manufacturers rarely advertise it loudly. You usually have to ask your sales representative directly. To actually use it, request the manufacturer's co-op or market development fund guidelines, submit your marketing plan for approval, and keep your receipts, because most programs require proof before they reimburse you. One common mistake is assuming this money is automatic, when really you almost always have to apply and get pre-approval before you spend anything. So always ask first. Another misconception is thinking these funds are only for huge companies, when in reality, plenty of programs are designed specifically for small local businesses trying to grow. A third thing to watch for is deadlines, since many manufacturers only offer these funds once or twice a year, or on a first-come basis, so mark your calendar and follow up regularly instead of waiting until the money runs out. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.